Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now on the 27th of August we are finally launching AISmartSuite as a bonus. Now there's lots and lots of people interested in this. If you want to know all about AISmartSuite and make sure that you are one of the first people to get this, make sure that you are on the call on the 27th of August at 1 p.m. EST. Now the replay will go out, so don't worry about that. But try and get on that call if you want to be one of the first to get this. Now, it will be a bonus for an amazing product called AI Callings. Now, if you want to test out AI Callings, just look to the opposite side of this screen. Down here, you'll see a little box called Richard. Just click on that. It'll give you my AI Callings number. You can ring that number and you can hear about AI Callings in there and AISmartSuite. So, what about the competition? Now we have a new competition for AISmartSuite. Starts today and closes on the 27th of August. On the 27th of August, I'll pick the winner. The winner will receive a front-end copy of AISmartSuite plus the front-end bonus for AI Callings, which is the front end of AISmartSuite plus some other extras as well. Now, if you're watching this video from YouTube, just comment on the video below. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you would. Now if you're watching this from the page, just click this little button here that says join the competition here. It will take you over to YouTube where you can comment on the video, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you would. Then on the 27th of August, I'll pick the winner. Now if you're here for your downloads, just come to the bottom of this page, right to the bottom, and you'll see we've put some downloads here. I've got a ton of downloads. We added the extra ones that we gave you in the beginning of the month as well mid-month really. But we've added a lot more as well. So you've got another 3 PLR lots plus extra downloads as well. So there's a whole host of free gifts there. Now those will disappear on the 27th, so make sure that you claim them. Test out AI Callings as well. Make sure that you join the competition because obviously, you know, you may as well try and win a copy if you can. But make sure that you get your spot on that call. The call is happening at 1 p.m. EST on the 27th of August. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.